Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a brand new 2025 Toyota 4Runner and we've installed a 40-inch slim light bar. I want to show you exactly how much light you get with this product. So these are the factory low beams. Notice in front you can't see anything in terms of the distance. You can't see the fence in the back. You can't see the trees around. With the high beams, you can see a little bit in the distance. And with a 40-inch light bar, everything lights up. This is incredible. Take a look at all this additional light that you get. You guys are going to absolutely love it. Notice the trees in front of the vehicle. Even with the high beams, nothing's illuminated. But with a turn of a switch, everything becomes daylight. Hey, what do we have there? Without these light bars, you cannot see anything. But check this out. These coyotes cannot be hiding. So this is the 40-inch light bar. These are the factory high beams, and these are the low beams. 40-inch light bar, low beams, 40-inch light bar. Thank you guys for watching. I know you guys are gonna love this product, and please check out our step-by-step installation instructions.